Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best stand mixers in 2024. In this video, we'll delve into the features, performance, and value of the best mixers on the market. But here's a twist: one of these mixers has a feature that could revolutionize your baking experience. Curious? Stay tuned till the end to find out which mixer it is and how it stands out. Don't miss this chance to make an informed decision for your kitchen upgrade. Let's dive in. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.